Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. So my car is finally fixed. The sensor that's been giving me a problem for the longest time, finally figured it out, so now I can go to Sport Plus. I did wash the car earlier today. The wheel setup is looking very nice. Everything is running good. I think I have like some little light on the dash. I don't know what it is. I'll figure it out though, but I'm just glad I can go in Sport Plus right now. Alright, y'all, so I have my flash turned on. Let me know if it's too bright or not. I'm just excited to drive the car. By the way, this is my first drive back. As y'all can see, I keep putting it in Sport Plus every time I start recording. So that means I'm not always pushing on my car. Because some people think I do, but I don't. Look at the city though, bro. I know I keep showing y'all, but it looks fire. Yeah, there's that little tunnel right there. Hey, this is one thing I don't like about roundabouts. Like, when these people are in that lane, by right they shouldn't go all the way around, but some people do, and they will hit you, because it almost happened to me once. Damn, I missed this thing. I'm trying to get in that lane, but it ain't worth it. I think that's the last one either way, so it's cool. BMW using his blinkers. People actually comment about that. I don't know, I don't care about the trend about like not using blinkers. I always use my blinker.
Stop the cap.
Mostly, sometimes I don't, but I mostly use it. 95% of the time I'm using my blinker. Hey, that thing lifts up, bro. xDrive go crazy. It's super hard to buy food where I live. A lot of people think I live in Ottawa, but I don't. I live in Gatineau. But Gatineau is French. Thank you. I got this huge phone. I got an iPhone 16 Pro on my head, collecting my food. Thank you. Alright, for sure. If y'all are thinking about doing YouTube or like making car videos like me or POVs, at first it's super hard, because when I just started like YouTube, I would never like do this in a drive-thru, recording while collecting my food and ordering my food. Usually I would never do that, but to be honest, y'all, some people probably laugh, some people probably say, if you want to do YouTube, just try it, man, it's worth it. Because if it works, then everyone's gonna be messing with what you're doing. I know I already did, but I just put this sticker on today actually. I bought one before and I completely messed up the first one. I'm gonna finish off the POV for y'all. That's an Elantra. Thing's on fire, by the way. I would go beside him, but I'm turning left. Oh, he did a little full. On launch control. Yeah, these tires are pretty good. It is better than my winter tires. They're not the best, but it hooks pretty well. Plus my car's xDrive, so. Alright, one last anti-lag pull for y'all.